Hi everyone, welcome back to my apartment. So today I thought we would talk a little bit about shapes. And I think if I remember correctly, and not even do I remember correctly, I know that you guys are pretty good at knowing your shapes. So if I were to tell you a shape, if I were to say the name of a shape, I bet if I asked you, you would know what it looks like. But for reference, I'm going to hold up some shapes and I want to see if you can tell me what they are. What is that? It's a triangle. Triangles are actually my favorite shape. I don't know why. I just love them. I think they're very beautiful. All right, here's another shape. If I were to hold this up, what is it? Right, it's a circle. You know that. And if I were to hold this up, what shape is this? It's a rectangle. How is a rectangle different than a square? Do you know? What makes a rectangle different than a square? A rectangle has two sides that are longer and two sides that are shorter, and each one is equal. So this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. In a square, every single side is the same size. So that's why they're different. And what about this shape? This isn't exactly a normal shape, but what is that? It's a half circle. So those are some different shapes that I bet you know. So what we are going to do now is we're going to try to use our bodies. Or if you want, you can try to use things around your house. But I would say first try to use your body and see if you can make the shape that I am thinking of. All right, you ready? Excuse me, I have the hiccups. Let's shuffle our shapes. We'll do a little shape shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle. And if I pull one out, oh, sorry, my hand got stuck. If I pull one out, what is this? A circle! Okay, so, excuse me. If I have a circle, I'm going to try with my body to make a circle. So maybe, I'm going to put this camera out, maybe you will just simply make a circle with your arms, right? Or try not to, it's hard because our elbows are a little pointy, right? So you can make a circle with your arms, you can make a circle with your hands. How else could I make a circle? Maybe with my legs I could make a circle. Or could I try to use my body and make a circle on the floor? I feel like that doesn't look very much like a circle, but you could try. So how else could I make a circle with my body? Okay, let's draw another shape from our pile. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Oh, this is a rectangle. How can I make a rectangle with my body? Oh my goodness, excuse me. Well, how could I do it? Well, there's two sides, but then how do I make the other sides? Could I do it with my hands, maybe? I feel like that still kind of looks more like a circle than a rectangle. What if how could I do it? Well, maybe if I just lay flat, I could pretend that I'm like a rectangle. But it's not quite. The lines aren't quite so straight. Or, maybe I could, I guess I could try just drawing it with my arms. So here's one side of the rectangle, and here's the other side, and pretend that they attach to each other. All right, let's draw another shape. Triangle! Triangles are my favorite. Let's see. How can we make a triangle? Well, we could make a triangle like this and then pretend there's a line on the bottom. Or we can make a little mini triangle like that, kind of, with our fingers. we could stand up and our legs can be like a triangle. So those are the two lines and the floor makes the other line. How else could we make it a triangle? I don't know if we could do it with our arms. We could do it with our arms over our head. Make a triangle. So, another way that we could try to make shapes is with a string. So I'm going to pull out my little piece of string here. Ooh. So here's my string. And so what I can do, I'll try to turn it down this way so you can see, is I could try to make shapes with my string. This string is a little long, but you could use any string that you have in your house. So I could make a circle, or at least try to make a circle like that. I have a little extra string, but maybe I'll push it a little more this way so you can see it better. Oh, it goes better this way. So if I go like that, there is a circle. Or I could try to make a rectangle. So I want to make one side like that, and then I'll make the other side go down like that. And then I'll make the other side match it because we want it to be the same size. And then I'll make this side go up. And there we have a rectangle. Or if I wanted to make a triangle, I could go like that and like that. And then I could make this part go across. And then I would have a triangle. It's a little rounded, but still does the job, right? So, yeah. You'll have to show me if you make any other shapes. Anyway, thanks for playing with me. Bye.